Hello, this is a presentation by Ivana Beck on the NIH Stroke Scale application. The purpose of the NIH Stroke Scale application is to function as an assessment tool used to identify stroke-related neurologic deficits, as well as identify the acuity of stroke patients. It is accessible via smartphone, tablet, or PC at no cost via the Google App Store. At this time, it is only available to Google and Android users. The NIH Stroke Scale app is convenient and suitable for RNs in emergency, intensive care, and neurologic science units. It assists the RN in calculating the patient's NIH Stroke Scale score. This score helps identify the stroke severity, as well as possible location of injury in the brain. It is not intended for patient education, but could prove useful in educating RNs in proper NIH Stroke Scale assessment and technique. The NIH Stroke Scale application has an easy level of usability. It has a basic layout that is plain and easy to read. Also, it does appear to lack some creativity in its design. It opens straight to the first question of the NIH SS assessment. There is no title page or welcome screen. Data is entered into the application by pressing a button that correlates to the patient's answer or identified level of completion. Upon selecting the button, the application takes the user straight to the next task in the assessment. The application also provides a photo to show the patient during the language segment of the assessment, and a list of words for the patient to read to aid in assessing dysarthria. Results are shown immediately after the last question in the assessment. It displays each segment of the assessment with the correlating score the patient received. At the bottom of the results page, it shows the overall total the patient scored, thus producing the patient's NIH Stroke Scale score. Next, let's look at some legal or ethical concerns of this application. Upon review of the app, there does not appear to be any legal or ethical concerns associated with this application. This is because there is no available space to enter a patient's information, such as name or date of birth. The application does not allow any freehand information to be entered or stored in the app. Also, it does not allow sharing of total scores or any other part of the assessment. Overall analysis of this application shows that it is beneficial to nursing students and the RN in emergency, ICU, and neuro units. This is because it is easy to access and begin using. By omitting a startup screen or welcome screen, it allows the user quicker access to the assessment tool. It is also beneficial by keeping track of the patient's score throughout each step. This allows the user to focus on proper technique and close observation of the patient without possibly losing track of the previous scores. Also, it provides very useful visual tools necessary for the completion of the assessment. It is limited only in creative design. The gray background with black text is bland and unappealing. However, an assessment tool is made to be useful, not pretty. I recommend this application to RNs and nursing students because it functions as an easily accessible tool to ensure correct neurologic assessment. The NIH Stroke Scale application is a useful neurologic assessment tool and aids in the assessment of stroke patients. It is convenient for experienced RNs as well as nursing students. It is easy to access, quick to begin using, and easy to navigate. It provides NIH SS assessment in a step-by-step format and keeps score to ensure correct assessment and calculation. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you enjoyed.